Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is an open-source, blockchain-based distributed computing platform featuring smart contract or scripting functionality. It supports a modified version of Nakamoto consensus via transaction-based state transition executed on a public Ethereum virtual machine or AVM. Ethereum Classic maintains the original real history of the Ethereum network. The Ethereum project's mainnet initially released via Frontier on 13 July. However, due to a hack of a third-party project, the Ethereum Foundation created a new version of the Ethereum mainnet on 20 July. With an irregular state change implement that erased the DAO from the Ethereum blockchain history. The Ethereum Foundation updated the trademark to the new altered version of the Ethereum blockchain, Ethereum Code ETH. The older unaltered version of Ethereum was renamed and continued on as Ethereum Classic Code ETC. Ethereum Classic native Ether token is a cryptocurrency traded on digital currency exchange. Under the currency code ETC, Ether is created as new reward to network nodes for a process known as mining, which validates computation performance on Ethereum Classic EVM implemented on 11 December. The Suren ETC monetary policy seeks the same goals as Bitcoin of being mechanical, algorithmic, and capped. ETC can be exchanged for network transaction, fees or other assets, commodities, currency, products, and services. Ethereum Classic provides a decentralized Turing-complete virtual machine. The Ethereum Virtual Machine or EVM, which can execute scripts using an international network of public nodes. The virtual machine's instruction set is Turing complete in contrast to other like Bitcoin script. Thus, an internal transaction pricing mechanism is used to mitigate spam and allocate resources on the network. Milestones. Frontier. Several codename prototypes of the Ethereum platform were developed by the Ethereum Foundation as part of their proof of concept series prior to the official launch of the Frontier network. Ethereum Classic followed this codebase after the DIO incident. The DIO bailout on 13 July as a result of the exploitation of a flaw in the DIO project smart contract software and subsequent then of 15 million worth of Ether. The Ethereum network split into two separate blockchains. The altered history was named Ethereum or ETH, and the unaltered history was named Ethereum Classic or ETC. The new sign with the altered history was branded as Ethereum or Ethereum Code ETH with the BIP 14.4 coin index 16 and EVM sign ID1 attribute to ID by the trademark owning Ethereum Foundation. On this new sign, the history of the dev was erased from the Ethereum blockchain. Some members of the Ethereum community ignored the exchange and continued to participate on the original Ethereum network. The non-fork sign with an unaltered history continue on as Ethereum Classic Code ETC with the BIP 14.4 coin index 61 and EVM sign ID 61. Security vulnerabilities disclosed. A paper was released detailing security vulnerabilities with the DIO that could allow Ether to be stolen. June, Peter Fernandes published disclosed the existence of a critical security vulnerability. Overlooked in money solidity contracts, a Recluse Scale book on 20 June Step 12 Publicity claimed that the DAO phones were saved with the new discovered critical security flaw.